Independent Lok Sabha inner candidate R.K. Somarinder alias Kaiku urges political parties not to spread false propaganda misleading the public. NEIDB Lok Sabha inner candidate R.K. Anand says national political parties do not walk the talks, vows to curb prevailing issues of the state. RJSP Lok Sabha inner candidate Senzam Nandeshwar releases 21-point election manifesto including agenda to provide allowance for unemployed youths. And Cabo Valley Memorial Charitable Trust gears up to file PIL to restore Manipur's total land area of 8,650 square miles. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangusam Shalero with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Independent Lok Sabha inner candidate R.K. Somarinder alias Kaiku urged political parties not to spread false propaganda to mislead the public. He further urged political parties not to practice disreputable politics to woo voters. The independent candidate hoisted his flag at his residence in Thangmiban Maisnam Laikai today, followed by a public meeting held at Thangmiban Thau Ground. Speaking in the meet, Kaiku termed it unfortunate that one Congress MLA spread misleading information about him being fielded by the BJP. He asserted that sooner or later public will uncover the truth. He urged political parties to stick with truth and honesty and let the public decide their fate in election.
Congress party, I'm saying it once again, please don't spread such rumors about me. I see how we can do it. I just did the hundred to be covered. Yauri Bangasi, smiling Angi was a Siam Pastor point of Vigano. Yam Liam boat community get out to Rigi. A smile Hajinaga, Pagan, boat community of Tonrisi. No, you know, a Pamato, no, a Panabato, public to Yana Salo, even any parties and Hagi, even BJP, public Yana Salo. Kana de mi amagi hundang ang naroy se so bodi lebak sikan na bo sangmin na se ai independent tholi ai jo hona se ke me jo hona biu ka ba po boji public se taw suno duga sugum propaganda taw na politics taw to ji matam hele adu matam gi juk to matam loi krabani adu 1942 gi wari ni ojik anau juk la bani propaganda taw ga bot ka bi wakan to si lebak se ba taw si public mang unar ga se ba to biu bang phana ba to biu lebak se phana kan biu mi khulag wanga mo thabak to birano.
President of NEIDP Central Working Committee, Naren Bamsar Marjit, slammed national political parties as filled with greed. He condemned both Congress Party and BJP as two sides of the same coin. Stressing the need to safeguard the state, Samarjit stated that Congress National President Rahul Gandhi nor Prime Minister Narendra Modi will have accurate knowledge about Lotak Lake or Ukhrul village, nor the issues facing the state. Campaigning for NEIDP Lok Sabha inner Manipur candidate R.K. Anand at Kwakital Akam Laikai today, Samarjit also denounced the idea of contesting elections as independent candidates. He stressed the need for efficient political parties for effective governance in a democratic country.
I will assume that he Toiva Toga, Sanam Tungo, I see Kerala, me of the Congress. Aduna, I wish that voting right, Hamatanda, I saw the Kerala, and will talk you. Aduna, I just saw them right, nothing totally, nothing totally help to know the lady. I was having one of the very poverty. Adu sovereign already, I get Hawaii booked away at there. I know the Leva, you see a booked away at there. Adu Dardi, I give me rule, I believe Hawaii. Madu Pachamaga, Palisimaga, Sinaki Rao. Madu Sinaki Boy, Madamana, I put the Leva, powers there, Leva with house and rights there, Karino, Mataga, sovereign right away. Coming on the house, I use a home to Topolo in the Toto, who couldn't grow my Brahmaya would pay for the lawyer. Something that the uranium Pandore, Sanazu, the diamond, the body, the lady, grow my name. Mashima Yamsin said. Delhi ki political party, national party na saye naye na dana MNC mo yaga tana loi lok thoki gada buda NEIDP na nga aga thamaga hai ba mayam singse Manipur iram dam sigi kana ba tumgi setulong ki lungai na bidam ta nga sedana thamba.
Taking part in the election campaign, President of NEIDP Manipur unit, Dr. N.G. Bizoy, asserted that NEIDP, even though a new political party, is gaining popularity day by day. He expressed firm belief that the party will emerge successful in the 17th Lok Sabha election. NEIDP Lok Sabha inner candidate R.K. Anand condemned national political parties of note walking the talks. He criticized BJP for ensuring to pass CAB against the interest of people, especially in northeast states. R.K. Anand said he is contesting the election to curb various prevailing issues of the state.
An IDP wave, everybody will agree that is very much, even if it is the first time, it is going off very fast. Speaking of, it is becoming much more popular, and I wish we will be successful.
Grievances, aspirations of the people of Manipur as well as the people of the northeastern states, all we have come to understand is they are very, very good in promising, but not fulfilling the promises. Citizenship Amendment Bill. Once this bill becomes a law, what we fear is the population in the northeast, especially in Manipur, will be swamped. So this is going to create a lot of problem in the state of Manipur as well as in the other states of northeast. So these are some of the reasons why we have always stated that the policy, the rule of the northeast, ruled in the northeast by the national parties has threatened our survival and our existence.
Rashtriya Jana Hit Sangras Party RJSP State Unit releases 21-point election manifesto for 17th Lok Sabha elections. The election manifesto releasing ceremony was held at the residence of the RJSP State President cum Inner Manipur candidate Senzam Nandeshwar at Kuyatong Polem Lekai today. Speaking in the event, Senzam Nandeshwar said the manifesto includes agenda to address various issues facing the state, including Citizenship Amendment Bill, ILP, APSPA, border issues. He also said that the manifesto includes provisions to give allowance to unemployed youth, educational stipend for students, and welfare projects for farmers.
Masina akoigi antak lantheng nagadriba party mayam sigi manungda akoigi party sina karigumba mayam na nungsi biduna akoigi antak mikhan sida akoigi thagat pira badi haiba ijariba mayam je koi masi ngamgani haijuna tasina mayam je issue mayam koina haijariba sida ijariba mayam je ngamgani khallaga 100% ngamgani khandana masida koina phongjarabani.
Electioneering has intensified for Lok Sabha Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency election to be held on April 18. Political parties are spearheading with political campaigns and public meetings. Congress inner candidate Oinam Nabakishore addressed the public meeting held at Mayang Imphal Bangun Salam today. Taking part in the meet, former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi condemned Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led BJP government as a government that does not keep its words. He asks what other welfare activities the BJP government took up apart from the Go to Village and Go to Hills missions, which provide few gas cylinders to beneficiaries. Citing about Indo-Naga Framework Agreement and Citizenship Amendment Bill issues, Ibobi asserted that BJP will even convert Muslims into Hindus if it rules the country again. He appealed to wipe out the Communion Party and vote for Congress for a peaceful Manipur. Former Deputy Minister Kaikhangamt, former Works Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, our MLA Nazir and eminent persons of the Congress Party attended the meet.
Congress government matamdagi cylinder na lupa samri biusi lore Congress na po tanghal na hojing na kaya piba masi insan bagi wanati langbi ho hai insan bagi wanati ba kari su hai ke tumin na dum laide ba mayang seba BJP da vote pidna ba thagal lore je anau ba karam ba kari pura bage ba ada Narendra Modi ji na haijan bado sidasu adum sab manana tamma bar khamde
break money adu India da pusana patana bharat varsi sengi imung goding da zero account zero account against the lakhs tramanga sanghan gani hai wasan na yana da aga form of fulfill tawde samna hayagata the present government fails in all front.
INC Lok Sabha inner Manipur candidate O Navakishore asserted that BJP is fooling the public with its false assurance that passes of CAB will not harm Manipur if a special protection clause is inserted in the bill. Addressing a public meeting jointly organized by the Block Congress Committee of Yai School, Tongju, Ketrigao and Kairao at Kongba OLA ground today, Navakishore stated that there is no provision to add a special clause in an act for Manipur in the Indian Constitution. He maintained that pending approvals of Manipur People Bill by the President clearly shows that the central leaders do not take BJP-led state government in a serious manner. CLP leader Okram Ibobi and MPCC President Gai Khangam also accorded a warm welcome to 64 new entrants of Congress party, including 56 members of BJP Langthabald and BJP Lamsang Mandal on the occasion.
Manipur People's Party State to party, Kudaka, Manila, Hata, Asian Piano, Housing President of India, Asian PB, Matu Gusu, Asian PB, Carmine protection to be the Chief Minister. I go my common view, I go eat 100 days, I go 100 days. BJP Sarkari, I listen to the Apapa Paja, I go the common view, I appeal the
Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren asserted that with the advent of the BJP government, people are leading to a secured and peaceful life unlike the unrest experienced during the reign of the inefficient leaders of the past. Campaigning for BJP inner candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan at Lamdeng Kuno during a political conference organized by BJP Lamsang Mandal today, the Chief Minister further stated that BJP government's Go to Hills mission bridged the gap between hills and valley inhabitants. Biren further mentioned that the government releases up to 1 crore rupees for aspiring entrepreneurs in the state under its startup program.
Ngasidi nungdang ama thengna aigi isa halaktrasu aigi puroiba halaktrasu office sakibadagi dukan da sakibadagi tolo phangba numida halaktrasu ngasidi tumba yanare ko mayam matam amadi aram deko sigi sasan jine khoina mayam da piningba akhoi da akiya khangba ngata da leramba sivai gari ma svai khamba ubda senarame sivai ja koi ngang na balakune se koi kaurame Manipur se khoi gi lam khoi gi ipa ipu singna sahi lising ani makota thangdang pair ga nga lakpa du boundary khoi gi lam khoi gi pokpham sida khoi se miki thi oina khoi michen oina lerame ba kari gi natai jaba leader leite ba gi ne.
Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren expressed firm belief that BJP will succeed in the outer Manipur parliamentary constituency Lok Sabha election held yesterday. He stated that the Election Commission of India has been apprised for repolled in those polling stations where incident of booth capture occurred. Chief Minister Biren was campaigning for inner candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan during a political conference organized by BJP Konthozam Mandal at Konthozam Awang Klaikai today. Asserting that the present government aims to meet the essential needs of the society, Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren highlighted various undertakings of the present government, including CMHD scheme.
Ngasi kaya nungaire mayam uramani sorokta solana amasat pada policing guna sangsal laga aswonba ahan dugi makut pair ga sorok lan thokire sorokta gari khamaga paisa khaiba toromaroi nasada paisa yawa mullaga lokho ga hato puri toromaroi sigi sasan se masini khone yamna matam kaya adagi ngaire ga lakko akhoi change ma problem honari yam kanna gas se free da phangaba cheng lupa ahum makhai gi phangaba narakpa matam da layeng bada swai paisa tumbado layeng na paisa se sarkar na puthokpiraba Mai si tham dulu palising ama tax sira madulu pa kun sa handaraba ming san bangam dadana textbook lai bangam dadana bahan gi fee thi bangam dadana lairamba mayam do khoi sarkar na free da laik tamalaba adu oiragadi aina bus thorubagi aina migi da dukan phamba yorubagi tham dulu palising kun ga phangabado madu saving oina lairane.
Former Union Minister T.H. Chauba mocked Congress Party as a party on bail and CPI as the Zero Party. He was speaking at a one-day BJP political conference organized by BJP Moirang Mandal at Moirang Ayang Klima Community Hall today. He expressed firm belief that BJP will reign again at the center. Taking part in the meet, Moirang MLA P. Sarachandra asserted that the BJP-led state government has brought peace and harmony in the state.
Congress hasi papa mama wariba Indira Gandhi na garbi hatao haibadi laira ba on si laira ba lehen gum se no je Narendra Modi na tawri wa thabak se masima law jeram adu ke nowe makoi makha na palaiba Prime Minister Sinduna garbi hatao haraga laira ri mi oina hane ba laira ko on berom jatra ba laira ri mi ru thoko hato di laira ko edra siom jakre ba Congress has
Haingang Development Committee HDC condemned Congress member of Haingang constituency P. Sarat for trying to defame Chief Minister Nongthaman Birent on social media. Speaking to media at Haingang today, HDC President W. Jiten condemned Sarat for spreading false rumors against the Chief Minister. He termed it unfortunate that the Chief Minister was even alleged of being involved in corruption for IRB recruitment. Jiten asserted that people in the constituency will extend town support for BJP in this election.
Yamna Masi Tasina Hojiksi, going out Nare, Hangang the Laitravani, Ma Hoyi, Lafam Kuno or Haribad, Chankumgi Zagasi the Laidana, election campaign Tori, Hangang the Magi meeting to Bungamdri, Aduna Maram Warga Masi, Offset Nadana, Yam Lana, Gangamayam Tinare, Hoi Hangang Ki and the Ladiba, Miam Kudimagna, Honorable CM Bunum Sidana, Mana Togeriba, Mayam, we don't get to Togeriba say, as a Kanjaraga, a Koina, a Hoyam Kana, Ma Hangang the Lakpalaktaba, Kendra Lakpalakotidana, Hoi BJP. Candidate Wibiriba, Hoy Dr. R.K. Ranjanda, Hangang Kendra Ladiba, voter Zigi, 90% Gimataka, Hoi Pinanaba, Hoi Honore, Madudi Mayamgi, a set of period later, Sima, Aduna House campaign Toba, Honorable CM Lakwe, the car later, I could Lakragasu, Parza Mayam Kudimagna, Shideshda, I Parza Party of Hum Tamdana, Diplomating Givatang, the Kalaga, Hoi Honorable CM, the support Magi Party, the support of Wine Lagre.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on firm decision of Cabo Valley Memorial Charitable Trust to restore Manipur's territory. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Advisor of Cabo Valley Memorial Charitable Trust, Dr. T.H. Suresh, has asserted that Manipur's total land area of following the accession of Cabo Valley to Burma in 1834 is further dwindled by nearly 1,000 square kilometers at present. He said a PIL was filed soon to protect Manipur's land area of 8,650 square miles, which is in existence since the reign of Maharaj Chandrakriti till the reign of Maharaj Buddha Chandra. Speaking to media at the Trust office in Kaisampa today, Suresh stated that Myanmar has encroached Manipur's land from border pillar number 45 till border pillar number 99. He demanded nullification of fencing at Myanmar and Manipur border following Indo-Burma Agreement of 1965. Suresh further claimed that the Rangoon Agreement of 1967 as per the Article 3, Clause C and Article 355 of the Indian Constitution is unconstitutional. Suresh said the trust will survey the lands and seek legal help to save the boundary of Manipur.
Reply anila Government Minister of External Affairs ki Secretary Degi Amana Under Secretary Myanmar, I did Barmaga Marilla, Under Secretary do. She reply la eba. When I say is in short and this is a Bengi Boundary Commission, a Koy Yanagiban, Simatungina, a Koy pillar here and there to Wusi, Tobani, a Koy Yanabugin to the Tobani, a Koy Esper rule Tobani, in brief the Moina Harris. A Koy legal notice, Harmatung the minor was she replied to the Koy, the Pizza Dorsi. At the Koy final that Dorsi, Sig Batang Sida, legal notice, Tare, reply Pangabanina.
Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Professor Dr. Binota, has expressed apprehension at the rising rate of crime against women and children in the state. She was speaking in the two-day legal awareness program organized by Manipur State Commission for Women at Kalumkai Ground in Ramzikawi village of Imphal West District today. The awareness program is sponsored by the National Commission for Women, New Delhi. Binota lamented that atrocities against women and children are still rampant in rural areas, especially in scheduled tribe inhabited areas where customary laws takes over constitutional rights granted to each citizens of the country. She stressed the need to hold more such awareness programs to curb crimes against women and children in the state.
Singi area da amadi rural area da maru aina tongan different ethnic group na tariba mafam singsida hena mieng changjin ba darkar oi nupi singda maru aina nauna inkhalari ba nupi macha sing mauna ha sing aina pijaning ba pamda mama haiba taragadi bharat ke samvidhana amadi manipur legislative assembly na ek and rule mayam ama nakhoi da tawpa crime gi damakta punishment pi na ba leraga su nupi oi ba haiba sidi akhoi khara isana isabu section binaba amadi samaj amadi logi wangmada Chappidanaba, Nigi Mieng the Yaroidaba, Panayamna, Lona, Rulna, people Leragasu, Samazgi Mieng, customary Mieng Hibase, Masingang Zapiu.
Association of Commerce Alumni ACA of the Department of Commerce, Manipur University held its 20th anniversary and prize distribution ceremony today. Administrator of Manipur University, Jarnal Singh, Head Professor of the Commerce Department, Robita Sorokhaibam, ACA former President, Professor A. Razamani, Proprietor of Ultimate Art and Fitness World, Angom Karna, and many people attended the event held at the conference hall of the department. Speaking in the event, Jarnal Singh lauded Association of Commerce alumni for encouraging and motivating commerce students for years. He stressed the significance of accountancy in becoming a successful entrepreneur. The MU administrator encouraged commerce students to move forward in life with courage and determination. Toppers of state-level accountancy competition 2019 conducted by ACA, toppers of MCOM and BCOM examinations conducted by Manipur University, and class 12 toppers in commerce streams were felicitated in the event.
Some of you in the commerce department who have a good knowledge of accounting and commerce different aspects want to do startup, be determined, take risk. Someday you will be successful, and it is much better to do private business. I have found after so long service, in the government service you become lazy, you don't take initiative, somebody comes to you, you help, otherwise you do private your personal work. Whereas in the private business your eyes are mostly, you are active. Taking up a private job or a new startup demands courage, determination. People should not be scared of that, and they do succeed who have determination.
IT tablets were distributed to 120 community health officers, CHO and A&M for population-based screening of non-communicable disease (NCD) under National Health Mission Non-Communicable Disease (NDC) program today. The mobile tablets are installed with exclusive NCD application software and internet connection to facilitate health workers in identifying and maintaining health records of individuals at risk of NCD. Health Director Dr. K. Razo and Mission Director of the State Health Society, Dr. S. Manikanda, distributed the tablets for the second phase during an event organized by SHS Manipur at Hotel Imphal in North AOC today. Speaking in the event, Dr. K. Razo asserted that the tablets will facilitate ASA and health workers in identifying individuals at risk of NCD and in maintaining their health records to avail them necessary treatment facility at the nearest health center. He said ASA and health workers will go door to door to collect health data of individuals above the age of 30 under the population-based screening of NCD program, and then enter the data in the NCD app on their tablets, which can be accessed by concerned doctors of respective PHCs to provide necessary treatment to those in need.
Screening, diagnosis, management, and the control of the non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, cancer, stroke, and chronic obstructive airway diseases like asthma, and care of the mental health, minor eye diseases, ENT diseases, oral health program. Totally, we have to take the preventive, promotive, curative, palliative, rehabilitative services. We have to apply this application, this step, to this program. Firstly, for the recording of the NCD program, from today, step is for you. It is your property. So you have to take care, you have to maintain it properly.
General Secretary of Hengang United Club Organization, Hugo Tondang, extended financial assistance to reporter of Poknapam Delhi, Rajkumar Bulurast, who sustained injury in a road mishap. Tondang assured that Hugo will continue to extend assistance to any ailing journalists in future. Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee WCCC Manipur condemned excavation of hills and deforestation for commercial purpose. WBCC members today inspected the surrounding areas of Tentha, Thambaljinga and Eco Part of Thawal district and Thambaljinga and Lamyang hills of Wabagai. Speaking on the sidelines of the inspection, Secretary General of WBCC Manipur and Romis condemned that some self-centric individuals extracted stones from Tentha Thambal Hill by destroying its natural structure to make money. He further intimated that the inspection team came across many illegal fishing and poaching activities in eco-park areas. Moray police recovered smuggled contraband drug WY tablets worth around 20 lakhs 30,000 rupees today. The drug smuggler reportedly fled towards the Myanmar border. Manipur police team led by ASI Manipur Police D. Paumilund Haukip carried out frisking operation at Indo-Myanmar border area at around 11 this morning upon getting tip-off regarding illegal movement of drugs in the area. The drug peddler fled towards the Myanmar side, leaving behind a plastic bag containing 10,160 world issues tablet. An FIR was registered at Manipur police station. Restrictions at Indo-Myanmar border since April 9 in view of the 17th Lok Sabha after Manipur parliamentary election was lifted this morning. With the opening of the Indo-Myanmar friendship gates, normal business activities resumed in the border area. Many Indians went to Myanmar Namphalong market to buy commodities. At the same time, many Myanmaris also crossed the border to sell their commodities. Customers thronged at Moray town, causing heavy traffic jam today. It may be mentioned that Namphalong market will be closed from April 14 to 17 in view of the upcoming water festival of Myanmar. Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operation at Pona Bazaar areas today as a part of security measures in relation to 17th Lok Sabha polls. The team, under the supervision of the additional SP operation, Imphal West team Aribam Gyanasham, carried out the search drives from Mahabir Pharmacy to Ibohol Cycle, Masjid Road to Kakulong BT Road in front of the MPP office and polo ground areas from 7:40 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Altogether, 548 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 21 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were detained and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Now the sports news. Sangay FC, Thangweiband and Musa Chekon beat their opponents in the third Sangay Trophy Veteran Football Championship today. In the 16th league match played at the Imphal Polo Ground today, Sangay FC Thangweiband beat BSA Sora by 2-1. For the winners, N. Nandakumar scored the 2 goals at 25th and 41st minute, while the lone goal of VSA Sora was scored by CH Okosont Mate at the 29th minute of the match. In the 17th league match played at Command Lampak Artificial Turf Ground, Musa Chekon beat CVFA Jazing by 2-1. For the winners, Rochung scored 2 goals at the 14th and 41st minute, while the lone goal of the losing team was scored by and Maimu at 49th minute. 20 teams, including 2 teams from outside the state, are participating in the tournament organized by United Veteran Football Association Manipur under the sponsorship of RK Fortune Developers Private Limited. Subsequent league matches will be played on April 15. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Independent Lok Sabha inner candidate R.K. Somrendo alias Kaiku urges political parties not to spread false propaganda misleading the public. NEIDP Lok Sabha inner candidate R.K. Anand says national political parties do not walk the talks, vows to curb prevailing issues of the state. RJSP Lok Sabha inner candidate Senzam Nandeshwar releases 21-point election manifesto, including agenda to provide allowance for unemployed youths. And Cabo Valley Memorial Charitable Trust gears up to file PIL to restore Manipur's total land area of 8,650 square miles.